This is an easy, healthy recipe with no animal stock, vegetable stock. But you don't see the vegetable stock because all these vegetables make the stock with the beans. And plus they're nice to see and they taste good. So everything is in here. I gotta start cooking with less calories because I realize a lot of things I make, especially when it comes to the meats, pork and beef, a lot of calories. And I can't eat just 3 ounces of meat. So I'm sweating these up. And all I'm going to do is, after they sweat up a little, put the tomatoes, the vine ripe tomatoes in there. Have the hot water ready. So this is going to be quick. I'm not going to let you watch me just mix this up because I'm going to be done in a second. In go the tomatoes. Yes, I could have peeled them. I'm lazy, and for me it's going to taste good. I'm not sure, I guess most likely this will be for 4 people without any protein. So, and I'm not putting salt in there. I refuse. Only pepper and the dry herbs. That's it. So if you want salt, a teaspoon would work in here. Unless you're a salt freak like some people I know. But some can tolerate it. Salt makes everything taste better. I know that. And the beans that have been soaked overnight. And then the hot water. And as soon as this comes to a boil, I'm going to cut it down to a really low flame called a simmer. Just a drop more. I already know this is going to have a nice flavor because anytime you use fresh tomato, it's good. There, and I have, and this pot has a nice tight lid, which means after it comes to a boil and simmers, very little moisture is going to escape this pot. See how it's building up already? Anyway, I'll be back in an hour. It's been an hour and 15 minutes. And the beans are cooked. And you could see the level of water. It's about 1/2 inch higher than what this is. So I want to see a little less liquid in there. So I'm going to turn this up and let this come down for a few minutes because I only want to get maybe 4 portions out of this. So we'll see what it looks like in a few minutes. Okay, we're all done. That's reduced to a perfect level where you see you have a lot of solid and just enough liquid. And now you can see the beans. Now this ladle is a half a cup. And that's a normal soup dish that everybody has in their kitchen. But that's not enough in there. So I say that's good enough. That's 3/4 of a cup. Now if you want to go, if this is your meal, then you go 1 cup. That's beautiful. And then the rice, which I make brown rice with absolutely no flavor in it, and I make it soft, and I'll put a scoop right there. And then I'm going to figure out from the rest of this how many portion we have. So that's it. And I think that looks good. We can zoom in on that. It's colorful. The aroma fills almost the whole house. And well, if you wanted put a piece of grilled chicken in there, whatever you like. Anyway, there it is, and I hope you enjoy it.